there was a few years ago na they need third-party sellers in Amazon US to keep up with the demand of the consumers. So, yun na yun na parang they're looking, no? They're looking for everyone to sell in Amazon right away because, of course, they need help na mag-buy and sell because there's so much they cannot keep up with the demand na wala na masyadong supply kasi nga, of course, they're overpowered doon sa consumerism ng US. So for everyone, for 196 participants right now, no, thanks for joining us. I want to ask who is interested here to start a business, a sideline business na kikita ng dollars na part-time. Ayan, tatlong nag-raise ng hand. Online lang siya and then part-time. You don't have to really quit your job because I'm gonna explain to you later, huh? Okay. So right now, I'm gonna be showing you that this is an opportunity, unique opportunity of a business, no? Na for all of us Filipinos, na pwede naman pala magbenta kahit nasa Pilipinas ako or kahit wala ako sa US. Okay? Kahit wala ako sa US, pwede naman pala akong magbenta. And then, after that, explain ko rin sa inyo na ano yung mga required documents and initial investments. Kunyari, kailangan nyo ba ng LLC? Kailangan nyo ba ng EIN, reseller certificate? Kailangan nyo ba ng other forms? Kailangan nyo ba ng ID? Anong klaseng ID? Para makapag-start ng account with Amazon. Okay? Another thing that I want to also explain later on is magkano po yung initial capital or working capital na kailangan ko to start my online business kay Amazon. Okay? Explain ko yan later. Okay, another thing that we're gonna be learning for tonight is, of course, we wanna make sure na naintindihan yung discussion, sunod-sunod, how to start up your business and how to succeed online selling with Amazon, okay? And of course, how to earn dollars in the US. So this is a very great opportunity right now to start your side hustle. Okay? Because I've Googled, no, na parang ilang percentage ang naghahanap na among Filipino population, ilan ang naghahanap ng side hustle or ibig sabihin karagdagang income, no? Additional income for your 9 to 5 job or for your full-time job. So parang tinanong ko si Google, nasabi ko, ilan ang Filipino naghahanap? So, I found out, no, in this year of January, there was a data, no, a research data na more than 50%, 60% of workers na may trabaho na, especially yung mga kabataan daw, is naghahanap ng side hustle na gusto pa nilang isupplement yung kita nila on a daily basis. So, ibig sabihin, either hindi pa enough yung sinesweldo nila or gusto nila ng mas malaki pang income para mas marami silang pera sa bank. Okay? So, more than 60% based on this data are really willing or interested to start an online business with Amazon. Among the 200 participants, sino yung talagang from the back of your mind na parang very, very, very much na parang you're really working so hard na ano ba yung pwede nating pagkakitaan? Or baka sa inyo, meron na kayong mga side hustle din, no? So, I wanna know if ganun din ba kayo na nandito for a side hustle, naghahanap ng mga pagkakakitaan? I-chat natin yan. Yes, me. Oo, nakikita ko yung mga chat nyo nakikita sa Okay, ayan, me. Okay, thank you, Melody, Wilfredo, nakikita ko. Kate S. Murley. Ayan, thank you for your responses. Ayan, ang sinasabi kong engaged, no? I want you to get engaged more on this, participate for the whole discussion. So it would be more exciting for me. Okay, so we wanna explain to you, okay? We wanna explain to you further how Amazon business works for the sellers, okay? Naintindihan natin nung unang part is ganito ka-powerful, ganito kalaki si Amazon, ganito ang capacity niya, and then kailangan nila ng third-party sellers para magbenta sa platform nila kasi they cannot keep up with the demand. Ngayon, dito sa slide na to, which I hope you can still see, i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga iba-ibang methods, no, ng pagbebenta kay Amazon. Marami 'yon. Okay? Kailangan ko i-explain ng mabuti so you can have a better understanding at hindi walang masyadong confusion kasi maraming nagtatanong, ano po ba to? Dropshipping po ba to? Magbibili po ba tayo sa Alibaba? Bibili po ba tayo sa ibang suppliers or lalagyan ko po ba ng logo yung produkto ko? Pwede ko po bang kunin yung produkto sa Pilipinas? So right now on this screen specifically, I want to make sure na maintindihan natin to, okay? Okay, nandyan si dropshipping, andyan si online arbitrage, andyan si retail arbitrage, andyan si wholesale, at andyan si private label. So yang limang yan are the basic different methods of selling kay Amazon. So ibig sabihin, iba-ibang klase ang pagbebenta ng mga yan. Okay, I want you to be very, very much familiar. Okay, wholesale, online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, dropshipping, private label. Okay, kalimutan na natin si dropshipping because that is the riskiest method of selling in Amazon. And it is against the terms of services for Amazon. So, ang nangyayari sa dropshipping, hindi hawak ni seller ang inventory niya. Nilista niya lang without the security nasa warehouse. So parang ita-drop ship niya lang coming from the supplier, which is ayaw ni Amazon nun. So pero may mga nakakalusot pa rin kaya nandiyan pa siya. Okay, may nakakalusot pa rin pero pag nahuli ka, then you can get suspended. Okay, we want to make sure na na-discuss natin about dropshipping and we're not gonna tackle drop shipping business in this discussion. Okay, next is yung wholesale. Okay, yung wholesale, this is the ability or the method of selling that we will acquire a larger amount of quantity, okay, bultuhan directly from the manufacturer. Okay, kung sino yung gumawa ng produkto, doon sila ang bibilhan natin. Legitimate, authorized, brand distributors, doon tayo kukuha ng produkto natin. Okay? Yan ang tawag sa wholesale at bibigyan nila tayo ng wholesale price. Okay? Pero meron silang minimum quantity, kaya bultuhan siya. Okay? Na-follow? Ang online arbitrage, okay? Doon muna tayo sa online arbitrage. Bumibili tayo sa isang tindahan din, online place, online na merchant, katulad ng Walmart, katulad ng Target, katulad ng pet supermarket. So lahat lang yan online. Kunyari, may nakita tayo sa Clinique, okay, or sa Lego. Online ha, nakita natin sa website nila or yung Nike, o kaya Adidas, o kaya Maybelline, okay, Maybelline.com nag-sale, tapos nakakita tayong 50% off na discount, tapos pwede nakita mo na ay may pag binili ko tong 50% off, pag binenta ko kay Amazon, may kita akong $5. That's how online arbitrage works. Doon tayo sa kung sino man ang nagbenta nun sa online. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean na sila mismo ang direct supplier ng produktong yon. Okay? Parang distributor din lang sila or third party authorized seller din sila. Na-follow? Okay. Parang ganito yon. Pag pumunta ka ng Divisoria, okay? Gusto mong bumili ng mga sandals or shoes, Pag pumunta ako doon, ibibigay sa akin ng 100 pesos, 'di ba? Sasabihin niya, bumili ka ng marami, bibigyan kita ng 100 ng maraming discount, 100 o sabihin natin 75. Pag bumili ka ng 10, okay, 75. Sasabihin nila wholesale, yan yung pinakamababa, marami na akong makukuhang discount. Yun na yung online arbitrage. Sabihin natin online lang yun, okay? Pero pag sinabing etong produkto na to, pupunta pa ako ng Taytay, mas malaki pa yung kikitain ko, that's wholesale. Okay? Pero yun nga lang, it's all online. Okay? I'm just giving you a sample illustration of how selling, of sourcing of different products that Amazon has for their sellers. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, bibili lang ako ng online pero hindi pa ganun ka, meron pang potential na lumaki pa yung tubo ko kung dediretso ako sa wholesale. I-explain ko sa iyo kung ano yung advantages at disadvantage ng dalawang business model later. Okay? Okay, next is I'm gonna proceed to retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, kung pupunta ako physically, okay, sa US, sa mga stores doon, which is we cannot do that since nandito tayo sa Philippines and it's not possible. So we're gonna just ignore retail arbitrage. We're gonna focus on wholesale and online arbitrage. Okay, for tonight's topic. Ang merch naman, nakita nyo, nasa baba, yung merch, yung mga print on demand, mga t-shirts, mga mugs, okay, kung ano-ano. But it's just a program for specific sellers in Amazon. It's not open to everyone. Next is yung KDP, audiobooks, kung publisher ka or author ka or may libro ka, it's under KDP. Again, it's a program na pwede kang pagkakitaan din yan sa Amazon US. Okay? Pero ang full focus lang natin right now for tonight is dalawang business model, which is wholesale and online arbitrage. Okay? Follow? Okay. Ang dami natin, 214 picks for tonight. Ito na yung buong reselling on Amazon. It's all about shopping. Okay, sino yung mga mahilig mag-shop online? Sino yung mga guilty shopaholics? No? Na parang na-stress lang ako mag-shop ako kasi I deserve it. Ganon, may ganon. Okay? So reselling on Amazon, it's all about finding discounted deals, discounted products, okay, that we can sell with a profit. Okay, parang buy and sell nga, na pero dapat may kikitain tayo. Bakit pa tayo nagnenegosyo? Bakit pa tayo magbibili kung wala tayong kikitain? Okay? So shopping and then pack and ship. That's all the concept of how to become a seller in Amazon. Yung pagpapack, sasabihin nyo, bakit kailangan mag-pack? Wala nga ako doon. We're gonna be utilizing a third party warehouse or a prep center in between you. Okay? I-announce ko later na we have a partnered warehouse or a prep center of in Florida, or we have 3 warehouses there that can cater towards you na as a seller, kaya posible talaga na magkanegosyo ka doon kasi merong warehouse na mag-aalaga at provide sa iyo ng services. Okay? So, shop, pack, and ship. Ganun lang kasimple yon. Pinapadali ni Amazon kung ano yung method of selling in their platform. Okay? Ito na yon, yung prinamis ko na yung difference and then ano yung more of description kung ano ba talaga ang online arbitrage and then wholesale. Okay? Yung next slide is about wholesale. The first slide is all about online arbitrage. We're just gonna focus on 2 business models. Unang-una, ang online arbitrage in the US, you can earn dollars right away with only 15,000 pesos as a capital without needing to quit your job, and you don't need to become an expert in the computer. Anyone that doesn't have any background in the computer or it's not tech savvy can do that. I'm very guilty of it. I'm not really good in the computer, but I was able to do it. Hindi siya complicated, hindi siya mahirap aralin. So anyone can do that. and no marketing background, walang kailangang pagbebenta. Walang sales and marketing or commerce graduate or magaling ka magbenta. Hindi mo kailangan na i-promote ang items mo sa kamag-anak, sa kapamilya, sa friends. Hindi mo kailangan na pilitin bumili sa'yo ang kung sino mang customers ang targeted mo. Okay? So you don't really have to do that. Amazon has the biggest traffic, sales traffic there is. Mabibenta at mabibenta at mabibenta yung mga consumer goods na ibebenta natin sa Amazon without any question. Okay? So hindi mo kailangang maging magaling na salesman, magla-live selling ka. Hindi natin required 'yon na ito nandiyan ka sa camera. You don't need to be really good or it doesn't require to do a live selling. Okay? Lalo na yung mga shy type katulad ko, char. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-live selling, hindi mo kailangan na maubusan ng laway, hindi mo kailangan magsalita. Okay, lahat lang yan. Kung magta-type ka lang at maghahanap ka lang ng products to sell. The last one is for both young and old. We have students that are college students. We have students that are retirable of age or retired na nga siya. So they're still selling, no? So ganun ka-easy na pag-aralan ang negosyo because of course, they wanna make sure na lahat matututo because they need us, no? So that is online arbitrage. And then with wholesale, ang difference lang is mas mataas ang nire-require na budget for the capital ng wholesale. Kasi, bakit? Maraming kailangan na requirement sa mas maraming produkto. Hindi ka naman nila bibigyan ng mas mataas na discount kung 10 piraso lang yung bibilhin mo. Unlike sa online arbitrage, kahit 15,000 pesos lang yung initial capital mo, pwede kang bumili ng 5, pwede kang bumili ng 10, tapos iba-ibang produkto pa yon. Okay? Yan ang kinagandahan ng online arbitrage. Pero, ito nga, yung wholesale naman, malaki ang kikitain mo, malaking kikitain mong profit, pero mataas din lang ang capital. Okay? Mataas ang capital, pero mas malaki yung kikitain mong profit margin. Okay? Okay, ano yung binibenta po natin? Ano po yung mga examples ng produkto na ibebenta natin sa tindahan namin sa Amazon? Okay? Whatever that you can think of na brand, na fast-selling, very popular products, lahat yan, yun ang hahanapin natin na ibenta. Hindi tayo maghahanap ng produkto na slow-moving at hindi kilala at hindi bebenta. Okay? Ang hahanapin natin sa criteria natin is kung ano lang yung naibebenta. Meron tayong software or tool na parang okay, ilang thousands na monthly sales nito. Ilan ang competitors ko dito? Bumibenta ba to? Gaano kabilis sold out itong product na to? Ano yung prediction na parang bebenta to for the next month? Merong data na magbibigay sa atin ng ganyan kung ano yun yung mga hanap mo, yung mga questions mo. So for sure, yan lang yung mga products na kailangan natin ibenta. Hindi mahirap, no? Bakit pa tayo magpapakahirap na maghanap na hindi naman maibebenta? So make sure na ang hahanapin natin sa product research or product sourcing is just only the brands that can fly in the market, that are top selling, and of course, the popular brands na kilala ng tao na makonsume nila or replenishables. Okay? Okay, in this slide, I wanna show you doon sa 7 years 7 years na pagiging Amazon seller ko. Okay? Na tatlong oras lang akong nagbebenta or nagpa-product research. doon. So, as a physical therapist pa yan, yan yung sales revenue ko. Okay? Sales revenue ko. And aking account yan. So, without bragging, I just want this to become an inspiration or a motivation that this is a legitimate business. And that's how I was able to generate sales during the time of 7 years. It means may trabaho pa ako noon as a physical therapist, but I was able to do it. And then wala pa kaming help sa US, 'di ba? Nasa US ako noon. Wala akong help. So I was able to do it. And then of course for you as well, how much more na ikaw tituturuan kita kung paano gagawin to. And then mas marami ka pang support group at meron ka pang community. Okay? So this was the profit, no? And that is under dollars. Kung i-compute sa peso, it's more than 10 million na siguro, depende sa conversion. And then, ito yung pinaka current, okay? Kasi luma na yon. Ito yung current na within a year, January, makikita nyo ba? Ito, January 6 of 2023 and to until this year of March, kasi March ko to ginawang slides. March of this year, meron akong sales revenue of 65,935.37 for 13 months. Again, hindi yun full-time. Hindi yun full-time kasi ang dami ko pang trabaho. Part-time lang yon, pero I was able to do that and with the help, of course, because it's online, no? It's online, meron ka lang kapital. Okay? So, ito na yung frequently asked questions. Paano po mag-start? Saan po ako? Anong una ko pong step na gagawin? Ito lagi, nagla-live kami every Thursday, no? Lagi siyang very, very common. How to start po, no? Unang-una is magsa-sign up ka ng Seller Central account kay Amazon. Okay? Yan ang unang-una mong gagawin. Okay? Ipapakita ko for the next few slides kung magkano at ano yung ways of doing it. Papakita ko sa next slide. Okay? Pero yung unang-una mong gagawin is to sign up for an account. Okay? Pangalawa is pag meron ka ng account which would only take in an instant, pag kumpleto ang requirements, merong ganon. Pag lahat kumpleto, matched documents, in an instant, Amazon can approve you. Pero pag kailangan pa niya ng interview, video call, it would take few days. Pero kunyari, kailangan niya pa ng postcard or code, it would take another week. Pero it would not take more than a month, okay? So it can take instant, few days, or a week. Okay, so yan yung timeline na very realistic and it differs from every individual. Hindi yan siya parang pare-pareho tayo ng pinagdaanan ng application. It depends on the, on the sa kay Amazon. Okay? So number one, sign up mo sa seller account mo. Pangalawa is pag meron ka ng account, kailangan mo nang mag-research ng ibebenta. Ano na nga ba ang ibebenta ko para may kitain na ako? Kasi ito na yung tindahan ko, may storefront na ako. So, pag may nakita ka ng ibebenta na may kita, okay, ano yung sunod? Idalhin mo na siya kay Amazon Warehouse. Para si Amazon Warehouse na ang bahala para mag-ship out sa customer. Pag may reklamo ang customer, si Amazon na rin ang customer service. Siya na ang magpe-prep ng product mo, siya na yung maglalagay kung ano pa yung kailangan mo doon, tapos siya pa ang magre-receive ng returns, kung may returns. Wala kang ibang gagawin kung hindi paulit-ulit na magre-research ka ng profitable items every single time. Okay? So, tatlo lang yon. Simple. Sign up, source products, and ship to Amazon to sell. That's it. Straightforward. Okay? Okay, for good news, who wants good news right now? Okay, tingnan nga natin. Tingnan nga natin kung sinong gusto ng good news. Ang dami na palang mga questions. Okay, sige. Sinong gusto ng good news? Okay. Ayan. For right now, Amazon announced special promotions for the whole seller account for you, no? Sa US to. For the whole 6 months, ang babayaran mo lang is $1. Okay, initially for the first month, $1 and $0 for the next 5 months. So, ibig sabihin, i-calculate mo na yung buong 6 months, $1 lang. Sino yung gustong $1 lang? Okay? Sino gusto? Kasi kung hindi sila nag-promotions, alam mo kung magkano ang account, ang isang monthly subscription kay Amazon na babayaran? Kami, $39.99 ang binabayaran namin per month. At the rest of the sellers na nauna, ngayon lang naman yan last year lang siya nag-take effect and they extended it up until September 30 of this year. Okay? Yung mga nauna naming batch sa community namin, hanggang ngayon, $39.99 pa rin yung binabayaran nila. So right now, and then it's not open for every country. Open lang siya sa Asian countries right now, like Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Taiwan, and Korea. So this is a very big, exciting opportunity for you. That's why sinabi ko, di ba? Kailangan nila ng sellers. So lahat ng ways para i-invite lahat ng sellers, hindi na nila nga pinabayad. So parang okay, magbenta ka na dito, kailangan kita. Kasi nga, how can I keep up with the demand? So that's the reason na they're doing this promotion for to invite the sellers all over, especially sa Asian countries. Okay? Okay, ito na yung sinabi ko. We're gonna be learning about requirements ng pagsa-sign up for your Seller Central account. Sino ang may email address? Professional email address ha. Sinong merong ganon? Okay, raise your hands. Okay, may email address na. Sinong may phone number? Okay. Mas beneficial or mas maganda kung meron din kayong international number just in case you wanna apply or you wanna get a wholesale account din, ha? Kung meron na kayong international number, then okay. Pero kung sa Seller Central account muna ang pag-uusapan, basta may phone number, Philippines phone number, okay na yon. Okay, sino ang may credit card? Hindi kailangan sa'yo ha, hindi kailangan sa'yo. Pwedeng i-borrow. Nung ako ang nag-apply, credit card ng asawa ko yung ginamit ko doon, which is never had a problem. Kahit kay mama mo or sa jowa mo, okay lang yan. Charot. Basta may consent. Okay? Sino may credit card? Okay. Next is, dalawa yung major identification. It's either passport or driver's license. Either or, hindi pwedeng pareho naman. Okay lang na isa. Passport, kung may passport ka, yon. Kung may driver's license ka, yun. Yung dalawang major identification. Tapos, optional na yung iba. Okay? Pag kinuha pa nila, bank account statement, credit card, Payoneer, utility bill. Okay? Hindi, ito, optional na to. Okay? At ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, magkano ang startup capital ng negosyo. Okay? So, ito yon, more or less, no? Bibigyan lang namin kayo ng estimate ha, hindi yan yung parang set in stone na kailangan ito ha, ito. Sa prep center is 130 kasi yung 100 down payment mo yon. Ima-minus yon sa magiging total invoice mo. So, sa'yo pa rin pera yon. So, nasa $30 lang yung pagsa-sign up sa prep center. Pero doon sa mga students na that would join the mentorship program, they have the 25 items free. Okay, may libre yun as a bonus lang. So, Seller Central subscription is only $1 for the whole 6 months. Yung tools, meron ka, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na it would give you a data, no? Na parang ilan ang monthly sales nito. Kailan ba to na sold out? Andito ba si Amazon as a competitor? Ilan ang competitors ko? Magkano ang competitive rate or price ng item na to? Lahat yon nandiyan sa tools na more or less nasa $20 per month. Tapos yung inventory, You can start as low as 100, 200, or 300. It depends on you sa online arbitrage. Okay? Sa online arbitrage to ha. So, yun yung kinagandahan ng online arbitrage na konti lang or maliit lang yung capital na kailangan para mag-start ka ng negosyo. Okay? Ito yung dalawang types, okay? Dalawang types of the account, individual and professional. Ito yung sinasabi na pwede ka namang mag-individual but we'd rather recommend professional kasi magbebenta ka eh. Hindi lang, kasi pag individual, libre nga siya. Okay, libre. Pero pag nabentahan ka, magbabayad ka ng 0.99 cents per item sa nabenta mo. So, hindi siya talaga efficient or hindi siya cost effective. Mag-professional ka na lang and right now nga nasa $1 lang siya for the 6 months. Okay? Next slide that I have is the product listing. Okay? Ito yung nakikita mo pag nagsha-shop ka sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa Shopee, may product listing or product page. Kay Amazon, this is how it looks like, no? Makikita mo lahat ng information, halos lahat ng information na kailangan mo. Okay? Nakikita yan ng customer, nakikita yan ng seller as well. Diyan sa item na yan, makikita mo yung unang green, ilan ang naibenta nitong item sa isang buwan, last month. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi ko na ilan ang monthly sales nito. Paano ko malalaman na fast selling ang product? Okay? More or less, ito yung makikita mo. Nasa 2,000 ang sales. So, meron siyang sales revenue of 59,980 kasi $29.99. So, more or less, ganyan ang magiging calculation mo. Tapos sa kanan, meron siyang sa isang seller, 5 stock na lang ang natitira. Nafa-follow ako. Ang point ko is malapit na siyang maubos. Pero ang nabebenta nito is nasa 2,000 units per month. Okay? Pero paano nila makikip up? 5 na nga lang yung stocks. Na-follow? Okay. Dito sa sunod na slide, makikita natin na ilan ang sellers nito sa Amazon. Nakita mo? Ito yung isang seller. Okay? Kay ano yan? Ang pangalan ng storefront niya is DM's Essentials. Isang seller siya. Tapos meron pa siyang 5 sellers for that. So ibig sabihin, 6 lang na sellers ang nagko-compete doon sa 20,000 na sales na benta. Na follow? So can you compute sa may, 'di ba sabi ko kumuha ng calculator doon sa 20,000, i-divide mo siya into 6 sellers. Doon siya na-divide. Ito yung magiging benta ko for this month. Tingnan nga natin. 2,000 divided by 6 kasi 6 na seller siya. Oh, tama? Jubilee? 3,333? Oo. Tama? Okay. Talagang magkakaano, no? 4 na 3. So, salamat sa mga alert, no? Yan ang mga good students, mga alert, nakikinig. So, 3,333, okay? Na benta niya every single month. Kung doon sa 3,333, nandoon ka, tapos ang isang unit ng produkto, meron kang kikitain na isang dollar lang. $1 sa times 3,333. I-times mo nga yun, ilang dollars? 3,333 din. So okay na ba yun? Nakita na profit mo doon sa negosyo mo? Okay na ba yun? Sa isang ano lang isang dollar lang doon sa kikitain mo doon. Okay, tama ba? Ayan, nakikita ko yung mga message nyo. Okay? So, that's how it is. And then, another thing na gusto kong i-point out, hindi lang yan yung monthly sales na isang product lang yon, di ba? Hindi lang yan yung bebenta natin na isang product. Pag nagsisearch ka ng isang category, kunyari ako, consumer, gusto kong bumili ng asin, sea salt, okay? Sea salt, ang daming options, ang daming options. Tapos makikita ko ilan ang nabebenta nito, ilan ang nako-consume per month. Diyan sa Celtic Sea Salt, 40,000 ang nabili ng consumers or customers last month. So ibig sabihin, ilan ang mga sellers na nagbebenta na kayang magbenta ng 40,000 sa isang asin lang, sa isang produkto. That's how powerful and strong ang consumer products sa US. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung kunyari, 10 tayo na magbebenta nito, tapos 40,000, so ilan ang magiging sales natin? I-divide nyo nga ulit, yung 40,000, i-divide mo sa 10 sellers, tapos may kikitain tayong $1 doon sa napagbentahan natin. 40,000 divided by 10 sellers, tapos times 1, yun yung potential na pwede natin kitain. Okay? May mga example ako later. Okay? Okay, so this is another data no na I want to share with you. There are over 600 million products displayed in Amazon.com. Okay? So walang makakapagsabi na saturated na yan, baka marami ng competition, masyadong mataas ang competition, maraming sellers, wala na akong mahahanap na produkto. There are over, again, i-reiterate ko, 600 million products in Amazon na hindi ka mauubusan, and only 2% or 12 million are sold directly by Amazon itself. So the rest are open for us to sell by third-party sellers like us. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung opportunity, yung chance natin na makapagbenta ng items na yon is relatively high compared doon sa kay Amazon. Okay? So, hindi mo masasabi, di ba, na mauubusan ka talaga ng produkto to sell in Amazon. Okay? Next is, this is a capital gains, a perfect illustration of showing you how you can gain your capital from your capital. Kunyari, may ininvest kang $300, okay? Tapos, ang hahanapin nating mga produkto is meron dapat siyang 30% each product. Okay? Minus na yung $39 dapat to eh. Minus $39. Yun na yung aalisin natin dahil nga magbabayad tayo monthly subscription pero naka-incorporate pa siya dito. Pero what I'm saying is every single month, kung paulit-ulit tayo nagpa-product research, yan yung potential of income natin. Okay? The more number na i-invest natin, pag sinabi natin, meron pa akong pera na 1,000, and then maghahanap ako ng products of 30% each time, each month, more. So, ang potential of income natin by the 11th month is $15,666 doon sa ininvest natin. Given, okay, given, may asterisk to, given na paulit-ulit, i-roll over mo ng i-roll over yung pera mo doon, and lagi kang nakakahanap ng 30% of the items doon sa ibebenta mo. Okay? Okay, so this would be the whole, presentation for right now. We're gonna be answering your questions on the chat, and then you can open up your video and mic. Okay? So I'm gonna be answering your questions right now.
Wala pa. Wala
Okay,
pang
okay.
nagtatanong. Sige, ako muna.
Sige.
Kim Lee, kailan po magkakaseminar ang private label? Soon. We will announce soon sa aming FB page, sa aming FB live. So, yeah, coming soon yan. Yun lang. Thank you.
Si Eda. Hi, Eda. For online arbitrage, wala po pong promo. Ayan, may promo na 10% off. Coach Jalay. Yan.
Kala ko si Eda natin. Yon, 10% off. Lagay ko dito yung enrollment link. Okay,
Ano-ano?
Eda. Lalagay ko yung enrollment link, Eda. Sorry katatas ko lang mag-dinner eh. Wait lang.
May question pa. May bayad po ba yung professional email? Wala naman. Gawa lang kayo sa Gmail. Ay, may bayad. Oo, sa professional pala. Sorry. Si Jonel nagsagot na siya. Sa 16K daw po, sabi ni Eda. How much po need the initial puhunan sa wholesale? Nasa 2,000 to 3,000. 2,000 ang minimal for wholesale. Yun ang initial capital for the wholesale. Yung 15K na capital po, kasya na yon para sa mga products na, ano yun? Saglit lang products at mga fees sa whole operation. Yes, sa online arbitrage, yes. Oo, kasya na yun sa capital. Ano po ang scheme for the installment, Jalay?
Okay, sige. Paano babasahin yung pangalan mo? Levine? Levine? Okay, sa installment natin, meron tayong G-Gibbs. Kung familiar kayo kay GCash, meron siyang G-Gibbs. Sila yung nagbibigay ng scheme. Kung halimbawa 12 months to pay, magkano siya per month, sa kanila manggagaling kay GCash. So, same thing siya kay BillEase. Magsa-sign up ka kay BillEase, tapos i-add to cart mo lang yung course. And then, yun, sila rin magbibigay sa'yo ng kung magkano yung iyong down payment, tapos ikaw yung mamimili kung ilang buwan mo sila babayaran. And yes, meron siyang interest. Or kung gusto mo naman si home credit, pwede din si home credit. And if you have the home credit card, so ano siya, enroll now, pay full after 30 days. Okay, kung meron kang home credit card. And then kung credit card naman galing sa Security Bank, AUB, Land Bank, sila rin yung magbibigay sa'yo ng scheme at monthly amortization kung magkano. Okay ba? Nasagot ba siya? Nasa na? Okay po, thank you. Sige.
Paano po ang base nation? So, pwede po paano po ang account ng Amazon?
Ayan yung paano po ba gumawa ng account ng Amazon? We just have to sign up kay Amazon for an Amazon Seller Central account. So you need, yung discuss kanina ni Coach Ava, you need your identification, proof of identification, yung passport or driver's license, alin man doon. And yung proof of address mo, yung mga either your credit card statement or your bank account statement, or we also recommend yung Payoneer. Kung meron kayong Payoneer, if ano no kayo ay aware or kilala nyo si Payoneer, yun. Meron ding virtual card si Payoneer. So yung ibang students na walang credit card, which is something na required din when we want to sign up, yun, minsan kay Payoneer na lang kumukuha. So, ayan. Within the course, we have a step-by-step, as in step-by-step na procedure on how to go about the sign up and how to troubleshoot kapag minsan meron kayong may hinihingi pang iba si Amazon. Pero, yun, ano naman, talagang nakakapag-sign up naman ang ating mga students. As long as complete ang inyong requirements.
Okay. Nagtatanong si George kung may recording daw nito. Yes, meron. And then another thing is, what if wala daw driver's license? Coach K?
Kung wala pong driver's license, passport po. Yun.
Bakit po need ng professional email for signing up sa Amazon Central? And then what if not available passport and wala din po driver's license?
I would suggest na kuha na lang po kayo ng alinman dyan kasi yan yung dalawang uh, publicized na requirements ni Amazon. So, along the way, after the sign up at may kailangan pa rin kayong mga seller verification, pwede pa rin kayong i-require ni Amazon ng passport and or driver's license. Isa lang naman dyan sa dalawang yan. So, kung ano na lang po yung mas accessible for you.
Ayan
Ayan.
Hi Eda, after meeting po, saan na po kayo pwede kausapin? Lagi kami ba or yung Amaze Nation, pag kami as coaches, lagi kaming active sa chat group for the
Ah,
whole entirety.
Ay, after this ba nito, Coach Ava?
Si ano
After
na lang siguro, si Eda, mag-unmute ka para alam natin kung ano yung tinutukoy mong meeting.
Amaze Nation ba? O yung kami?
So, yun na lang siguro, ma'am. Kung saan pwede kayong makausap pag may question ulit, parang gano'n.
Si Jelay.
Kapag hindi ka pa enrolled, lagay ko dito ang aking Viber, WhatsApp,
Andiyan,
+63.
0966 223
Ayan, nandyan sa
9980.
baba.
Eda. Eda, yan.
Yan.
Salamat sa question mo. I-chatmate mo si Jelay. Masipag yan.
Sige. Ayan.
Kailangan nakausap ni Jelay. Wholesale po, direct sa brand o sellers work with distributors po. Wholesale is direct sa brand po. Diretso tayo sa distributors or brands.
Nasagot ba natin tong magtuturo po ba kayo paano mag-marketing ng iyong product sa Amazon?
Hindi natin nasagot pa.
Ayan. So, for Rick, yung question mo, for this kind of business model, yung online arbitrage and specifically for online arbitrage, we look for listings na established na yung traffic. So, we don't need na mag-market pa ng product na yun. We specifically look for brands na kilala na meron ng market, may existing market na. So, sa laki ng traffic going to Amazon, yun, hindi na kailangan ng marketing. For wholesale, may portion na hindi rin kailangan kasi tulad ng sa online arbitrage, we also resell other people's brands. Itong brand na hinahanap din natin for wholesale, meron na rin siyang established na consumer base. And although sa wholesale, if we want to, push pa yung sales ng isang brand, yun, we can also do yung ibang marketing on Amazon. Pero basically, sa reselling, yun, malaking portion ay hindi naman kailangan ng matindihang marketing knowledge. Yun. Pwedeng purely online arbitrage or kahit wholesale na walang marketing. Posible po yun.
Kasi hindi po natin alam kung makapasa kay Amazon na maging seller.
Hindi po natin alam kung makapasa kay Amazon maging seller.
Hindi siya sure. So parang gusto niya munang mag-apply as sa Amazon account.
Kaya lang, kasi kung halimbawa, hindi ka pa nag-enroll, tapos nag-apply ka ng Seller Central, hindi ka nakapasa. So, paano ka masusupport ng coaches mo para makapasa ka? So, yun. Kaya mas maganda kung guided ka habang nag-a-apply ka ng iyong Seller Central account. For me,
Okay, sana nasagot namin, George. For a startup as Amazon seller, kaya po ba ako mag-isa lang gumawa ng shop or need pa patulong sa VA o mag-hire? Nasagot na yata ni Jonel. if you wanna add more. Kailangan ba ng VA? Pero, Coach K.
For, halimbawa, mag-online arbitrage ka, we are just listing under the existing product detail page. We don't have to create your own shop. Yun. Basta mag-list ka, pag pinuntahan yung shop mo, ando na yung listings mo. So, hindi siya parang, I guess, ang naiisip ninyo yung halimbawa, pupunta ka sa Lazada or Shopee, tapos may store. Dito kasi, sa Shopee or Lazada, ikaw yung magli-list ng product mo, ikaw gagawa ng listing. Pero for, let's say, an existing listing na makikilist ka lang. Tulad nung kaninang example, di ba? Sa isang listing, madaming sellers. Kasi yung listing na yon may gumawa noon, nung unang panahon. And then, nag-sell lang din yung ibang sellers under the same listing. So, yun, hindi na natin gagawin yun. Lalo na for online arbitrage. For wholesale, we can also do that, no? Mag-add ka lang din ng offers mo for an existing listing. Yan. Saan na tayo?
Lahat po ba dadaan sa interview bago magkaroon ng account sa Amazon? And, yun.
Hindi. Yung iba, ano lang, walang interview, walang video call. Yung iba. Meron na rin kasi ngayon, parang offline verification. Pinagsasubmit lang ni Amazon ng scanned documents nung gusto nilang i-verify. Pero, yung iba, walang calls. Recent updates. Ayun. And then, saan na tayo? Wala po ba kayo dito sa UAE? Yun ba yun? Doon na ba tayo? Hello, need po ba mag-enroll bago maging Amazon seller? Actually, hindi mo kailangan mag-enroll dito to become an Amazon seller kasi you can, sign up sa Amazon platform. Pero, the support that you will need on how to really sell on Amazon, yun po yung aming pinaprovide with the courses.
Gusto niyo mag-mic on. Yes, everyone can turn their mic on if they have questions, no? Mas preferable.
Yes.
Go. Mahirap magbasa eh.
Hello?
Yes,
Ma'am, oo. Yung regarding dun sa pag-i-enroll, may schedule ba yon? Or magsa-sign up na lang?
Ano yung
Hindi ko kasi
tanong
alam kung
niya?
anong uunahin ko. Magsa-sign up muna ba ako o kailangan ko muna mag-enroll? Paano po ba?
Magsa-sign up ka saan? Sa Amazon?
Sa Amazon? Oo.
Pwede ka na rin mag-sign up ngayon sa Amazon o pwede ka na rin mag-enroll. Magkaiba naman sila ng magkaiba sila ng ang tawag dito, website. So, kami kasi sa page namin, pag may nagtatanong ng how to sell or how to start, binibigay ko na yung sign up link ni Amazon para they can explore paano sila magiging seller. Ngayon, yung iba, kapag nahihirapan na sila, halimbawa, nagkakaroon ng trouble applying dun sa seller central account, some of them nag-enroll kasi, ayan, we have coaches that will guide you dun sa iyong application ng seller central account.
Yung enrollment po, how much po yung fee kung sakali?
Alin dito? Sa screen. Naka-post sa screen na.
Aside sa amount na to, iba pa yung 16K na pinakita nyo na naka-detailed.
Kapag in-screenshot mo tong online arbitrage, makikita mo tong option ng dollar profit mastery at yung core. So, dalawang packages yung nandun sa loob ng website. Mamimili ka lang. Pareha silang merong enroll here na button. So, click mo lang kung anong prefer mo na package.
Example, yung core ang napili.
Oo.
Okay na din yun. So, may kasamang enrollment na rin yun.
Yung kapag pinili mo kasi yung core, nasa process ka na ng enrollment. Kapag na-verify na yung iyong payment, ibig sabihin enrolled ka na. So once na na-verified na siya, for example, GCash yung gagamitin mo, within 5 minutes, marireceive mo na yung welcome email, nandun na yung link ng iyong self-paced core training.
Okay. Then, doon sa core na yon, pwede ka na ring mag-sell, mag-proceed doon sa procedure na sinasabi ni ma'am.
Yes po. Lahat ng mga core training, yun yung makukuha po ninyo. Kasama yung sign up, kasama ang kung paano maghanap ng product.
Dating, product research, lahat yan.
Yun. Except that, ayun,
Okay.
wala ka nung ibang nandoon sa full program.
Okay po, noted. Thank you po.
You're very
Ma'am,
welcome.
magbabiber din ako sa iyo pagka may question. Thank you.
Sure, sure.
May salamat. Congratulations. Sino yun? Si Paul? Si Paul nga. Congratulations, Paul. And then, welcome aboard. Ang aming introduction welcome session would be next week, Wednesday. Today is Saturday. As soon as Wednesday, i-welcome na namin lahat ng nag-enroll for today, for tonight. Ask ko lang po if OFW ba pag maging seller. Ayan, nasagot na yata. Ayan, sorry. Ask ko lang po if OFW po maging seller, busy sa umaga, free time lang is 11 p.m. Posible kayahin ko ang pagiging seller, super iksi lang ng time. Ilang oras ang mo pwedeng ma-dedicate, Joy? Hi Joy, salamat sa question. Siguro yung sa akin, 'di ba, 3 hours ang talagang ko lang ang oras ko for the business. So nakaya ko naman siya. So I hope every single day lang naman. Kunyari, isang oras ka lang pwede, bukas 3 or 4. 'Yun. Pwede naman 'yon. You just have to manage your time. Kung Joy, wala ka masyado talagang oras and very very limited, if you can afford or if you have a budget for a virtual assistant, then we can do that, no? We can hire for a few hours for a VA to do product research for you. Ha? Kung wala ka talagang oras, pwede 'yon. Kunyari po, hi Jake, kunyari po may nahanap na products from US, paano mo po siya mababayaran? Pwede ba yung credit card dito sa Philippines? Yes, Jake. Oo, pwede ang credit card, pero may mga cancellations minsan kasi natitrigger ng fraud or suspicious activity. Pero pwede, pumapasok minsan. Or PayPal, pwede. Payoneer, pwede. Debit card, pwede. Tapos meron kaming ino-offer sa program na virtual cards. So ibig sabihin, nag-offer kami noon para so you can use the virtual cards for purchases. Okay? Tsaka helpful din yung Payoneer. Payoneer na tinutulungan din namin kayo to set up your account and how to purchase products in the US using Payoneer kasi US address yung Payoneer. So, na may work around doon sa mga cancellations ng mga purchases using your Philippine credit card. Saan po mapapanood ang recorded video? Thanks po. Sa email yan, di ba, Jelay, no?
Yes po. Within the week, we will send you the recording.
Magkano daw po kung mag-hire ng VA? Coach Jalay?
Ano daw?
Magkano daw po ang mag-hire ng VA?
Depende. Depende sa task.
Pero yung average na lang siguro ha? Average is $3 to $5 per hour.
Kung
Ilang,
peso mo,
akong peso?
Pinoy. Yung
Ah,
mga nakausap ko kasi depende sa knowledge nila. So meron kasing yung in-depth ang knowledge, naniningil sila ng 20K per month. Tapos 4 hours lang yung iaalat nilang oras per day. Meron din nag meron ding nagbigay sa akin ng 15,000 pero hindi ganon ka in-depth pa yung kanyang knowledge. So depende yun sa magiging agreement nyo, pag-uusapan nyo, depende. Yeah.
if nag-enroll sa core, may mga questions ako. Sino po ang mag-assist? O wala siyang community. Sorry wala siyang community. Pero pwede kayong mag-upgrade. Paano daw mag-upgrade later from core to DPM? Kay Marlon.
Oo.
Oo.
Sige, Marlon, kung mag-upgrade ka, message mo ako sa Viber, WhatsApp.
From Gigi, do we have to get a VA? Pwede yung promo na lang na 79K? Nasagutan na to. Tama, Gigi, no? Tapos di ako matuto ng Helium 10 at iba pa po. Kay Maria Santos, di ako matuto. Meron kaming tutorial sa program ng Helium 10. Kailangan po ba may registered business name here sa Philippines? Sa wholesale, kailangan mo ng registered name sa US. Sa US tayo mag-negosyo. Sa US lang po ba pwedeng maghanap ng supplier? Sa China po ba pwede din? Sa China kasi, majority of which na nag-source sa China is for private label. Oo. Oo. Pero pag may nakita ka, and then we discourage it as well, no? Kasi mahirap, tsaka magbabayad ka pa ng shipping fee. Okay? Hindi lang mahirap, pero it takes a while, 3 months, 2 months to get to your products to the warehouse. So, yung 2 to 3 months mo, yung opportunity cost no, nawala na yung pera mo ng 2 to 3 months kasi matagal ang shipment. Pangalawa, hindi mo pa sure kung mabebenta mo siya kasi bakit nga naman, from China, kung meron naman sa US, tapos ang tinuturo namin is fast-moving products, quality products coming from the US. So, mas makakatipid ka kung nasa US na rin yon na hindi ka na kailangang mag-shipping fee. Si Van, how much po ang upgrade, Miss Jelay?
Message me, WhatsApp or Viber.
Paano po gumawa ng professional email para sa Amazon? Hi, Jeng. Hindi for Amazon. Any professional email na sa Google, kunyari, jengroque@gmail.com or business, Jeng's Enterprise or whatever business name that you want to create for your business, yun yung professional email. Sa Gmail lang yon or kung ano yung domain na of your choice. Need po ba magbayad ng income tax here sa PH? Hi, Leia. Wala tayong income sa Philippines. Lahat ng income natin nasa States, nasa US. Okay? For wholesale. Pero pag sa OA, wala ka babayaran na tax sa US. Okay? Meron siyang agreement na if you are a foreign seller, wala kang tax. Okay? You're not liable to pay taxes sa online arbitrage. Sa wholesale, since meron tayong business entity na i-establish sa US, meron tayong i-report na income tax. Okay? So, doon sa program, i-guide namin kayo how to file your taxes, income tax sa US. Pero sa Philippines, wala kang babayaran. Kailan po ang deadline nitong promo? Message Jelay.
Oo. Kapag
Pero
limited, ayan, limited slots lang siya.
Sino po mag-aasikaso ng products or inventory ko po na nasa warehouse ng US? Prep center na. yung in-explain ko, may libre kayong prep products and we're gonna explain it further doon sa course. Pero kailangan na merong prep center na mag-aasikaso ng inventory mo.
Meron akong nakita dito. Question ni George. Ano yun? Kasi daw may nakita siya. I think, George, ito yung student na nag-comment sa isang post na nag-enroll siya pero walang nangyari sa kanya na after ilang taon na yata. So, ang ano kasi dito, kapag nag-enroll ka sa course, it's collaboration to ng effort mo at saka effort ng community. So, ang nangyari sa kanya, since na hindi kompleto yung kanyang documents, hinayaan na lang niya na matenga yung course niya. So, ang sagot ko sa kanya doon sa comment, bakit hindi siya nag-virtual assistant muna? Kasi pwede naman niyang ma-ROI yung binayad niya sa course kung nag-virtual assistant siya. Pero ah, ang ang kanyang decision is maging stuck na incomplete po yung documents ko. So, kung hindi ka mag ma ano yun, kung hindi ka magkakaroon ng Amazon Seller Central account, it's because of hindi mo na overcome yung challenges. So, there are a lot of students na ginawa ng paraan, talagang may workaround kasi connected tayo sa Amazon's global selling sa Singapore and they help our students para magkaroon ng seller central account. So siya kasi, ayun yung decision niya is hayaan na lang dahil hindi naman daw kumpleto yung kanyang ano. So depende pa rin siya sa estudyante. Yun lang.
Yan, salamat. If mag-avail ng wholesale, more or less ilang days para bago magka-income from Eden? Ayan si Jonel, nag-message na. Medyo magti-take ng ilang weeks to a month, depende kung gaano kakabilis kumilos. Okay, yung answer ni Jonel. Need ba muna matapos training bago makapag-sell sa Amazon? Hindi mo kailangan. Oo, ayan, sinagot na ni Jonel. Hindi mo kailangan tapusin yung training as long as meron ka ng account. Tsaka naintindihan mo na kung ano yung product research. Yung live sessions for the 4 weeks program duration or 12 months training access. Live sessions for the whole 12 months, Marlon, Chua. Yung every live with the coaches for the whole 12 months. Pwede ka namang sumali. Pero yung masterclass, 4 weeks duration yon. Masterclass na. Okay, ito yung una nating core training. Ito yung sunod. I-remind ka namin about yung paperwork, documents, ito, LEIN, LLC, yung lahat, yun yung parang intense core training namin. 4 weeks yon. So, tapos iikot na naman yun for another month, 4 weeks ulit. Yan na yun. Pero pwede kang sumama ulit sa amin for the next month. Pagkatapos ng 4 weeks, ulitin mo na lang ulit yon. Pero may access ka doon. Pwede kang mag-join sa amin. Kasi parang, ano din yun chance for the Q&A, Marlon. Chance for the Q&A, baka may kailangan ka, alam mo yun, community help, support help from the coaches. So kahit na ano yung hindi mo maintindihan or gusto mo lang ng clarity, for the 12 months, kasali ka doon sa Thursday night namin. Jonathan, I am located po here in Japan. Yung masterclass po ng Wholesale at OA, which is designed for US market, applicable din po kaya dito sa Japan. Doon sa tinuturo namin, designed siya sa US, designed siya sa US. Pero as a resident in Japan, kung gusto mong magbenta sa US, pwede 'yon. As a seller as a seller sa Japan na nakatira ka sa Japan kasi marami kaming students all around globally. Meron kaming active students sa Indonesia, meron kaming active students saan ngayon? Sa UAE. Meron din kaming students sa Singapore. Marami kaming students sa Canada. So all over naman siya, no? Hindi na, pero kung yung magiging seller ka dahil sa Japan din, I really don't know kung ano yung tax implications. Pero kung pagtutuunan natin, kung ang question mo directly is kung pareho lang ba yung basic concept or fundamentals of product research, opening of application ng seller account, pareho lang naman basically. Oo, kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Pero yung iba na parang sa taxes and conversion ng currency, pero hindi ko na yun sa Japan. Pero pwede ka as a seller into US. Do we have to get a VA? Ayan, meron na siya.
Can I ask a question, madam?
Sige, sige.
Sino
Kasi
siya?
maraming I am Julius actually.
Hi, Julius.
Yes, from Qatar. Hindi ko kasi nag-buffer kasi itong ano ko kaya hindi ko nasundan lahat. So, my question is, yung 16,000 na tuition fee, ang tag dito, yung another 50, yung $300, it's a different, no? Parang puhunan mo lang yan when you start.
Oo, correct. Correct. Puhunan mo
Okay.
lang yon. Puhunan mo para bumili na tayo ng products mo.
Oh, after finishing that, the course, that's, kasi pinakamura dito is 4, no?
Oo.
Like that.
Oo.
Okay.
Gusto ko rin i-answer muna si Leia. Ano po ang success rate ng students nyo? And she specifically said for online arbitrage. Definition of success, it varies, Leia, no? Ang definition ng success namin for the students is for them to sign up successfully sa accounts nila for the Seller Central account, and they'll be able to source products, profitable products. So, yun yung trend, yun yung expectations namin for all our students. Na make sure namin na nag-guide namin sila on opening their account successfully, and meron silang natuto sila about the product research and product sourcing na may profit. So yun yung meaning of success namin for that, and I can proudly say na more than 50%, of course, more than that, have successfully were able to do that, no? Unless of course yung may mga students na medyo complicated kasi yung may kulang pa sila and all, and pero more than 50-60 nakapag-push through naman doon sa accounts nila, and then they were able to source products for their account. Yun, Leia, sana nasagot ko ng maayos yung tanong mo. Kay Van, nasaan po yung link to enroll? Nakuha na ni Jelay, no?
Nailagay ko na. If I may add lang din dun sa success rate, kasi common question natin siya eh.
Correct.
Ayun, this is for everybody, who's in here. Ilan pa tayo? 130 plus. Ang success kasi depende siya sa students, I mean, hindi kasi magic pill yung course namin. So, there's a lot of efforts na required kay student. So, there are students na, yun sabi nila, life happens, kaya hindi nag-proceed. And there are students na talagang ginawa nila ng paraan para makapag-launch, para makapagbenta, para makapag-continuous ng benta. So, yun lang. At the end of the day, this is your business pa rin. And yes, you still have 6 months to pursue yung inyong breakthrough.
As much as
Coach, parang napuputol ka, Coach.
Ay, ganun.
Ayan. I think related doon, Miss Jelle, may question kasi kanina about the ROI. Parang kapag ba nag-enroll kami, kailan namin ma-ROI yung yung tuition fee, parang ganun. Parang ganun yung sense.
Mm.
And nasagot din ni Coach Janelle sa chat kanina, parang, kumbaga, depende kung gaano kakabilis kumilos, something like that. Kasi, as early as the second week, after the second masterclass, marunong ka nang mag-decide on how to select yung product na gusto mong ibenta. Actually, ang sign up, matagal na ang 1 week bago dumating yung postcard if i-require ka pa ni Amazon ng postcard OTP. Kasi yung iba, ano lang hours lang nakakapag-pa-approve na ng Seller Central account nila. So, matagal na yung 1 week. Tapos, if you will attend at least yung on the second masterclass, ano ka na, equipped ka na on how to source yung products mo. So, the same thing lang, no, kung gaano karami yung products na nakikita mo na ipapadala mo kay Amazon, tumataas yung chance na mapapabilis yung cash flow mo. Yun. So, in terms of ROI, kung gusto mong 2 months, ma-ROI mo yung tuition fee mo dito. So, let's, parang reverse engineer that kung gaano karami dapat yung products pala na ibebenta mo. So, we work on 30% ROI when we select products to sell. Yan. So, yun. Roughly ganun. Pero of course, may mga products na higher than 30%. And minsan kahit hindi 30%, pero per unit malaki yung margin. Yan. So lahat ng mga yan, di-discuss po natin.
Okay, eto si Cheryl. I want to learn everything po from VA to seller. How much po yun? Medyo malaki-laki yun. Tsaka medyo mahaba-habang paano yan, journey, na learning journey, no? So, you can start being a VA, Cheryl, or you can start being a seller. Pili ka lang muna ng isa kasi overwhelming to. So, yun. Pili ka any course. I'll give you the courses link namin. Okay, Cheryl? Thank you.
Si Joy, pwede daw po pa-record nito, ay yung recording sa email daw niya. Oo, lahat i-sendan, no? So, okay. Any other questions? Si Maria, after 12 months po.
Maria, ano yung after 12 months? Like yung itong duration kasi ng program, ang access ninyo ay 12 months. So, we are confident na if you implement this, even if wala ka na sa program, you could continue to sell. And yung mga ganun din naman yung mga nangyari din naman sa mga students. Kasi this Dollar Profit Mastery runs already for 2 years. Yan. So may ibang graduate na ng kanilang 12-month access.
Yun,
And
no? Naka 2 years na sila, oh.
continue. 2 years na pala, no? Yan.
Congrats!
2 years ba?
After 12 months po, wala na po lahat ang coaching.
Pero they still, continue to be client ng Prep Center din ni Coach Ab. So, yun.
Maria, yung group coaching, you don't really need to have a group coaching ng live session kasi yung coaching nasa Facebook din, and then matututo ka na even if just for a month. Ang magiging passive na yon. Hindi mo na kailangan ng ano tawag dito? Active involvement ng coaches, promise. Hindi mo na kami, after mong matuto lahat, hindi mo na kami, I'm sure of it. So, yun ang kagandahan nun. Parang automated na yung business mo. Oo. Yun na yung gagawin mo na parang lagi mo ka na lang magpa-product research. Magaling na magaling ka na nun. So, you don't really need active involvement of the coaches. Oo, promise. Oo, Maria, sana nasagot namin. Bakit po walang community access sa core? Saka posible din bang maging reseller nasa Singapore? Yes, pwedeng-pwede yun. Kahit saang bansa. Wala pong community access sa core kasi, paano ba? Walang access community sa core dahil you can do it on your own, self-paced sa mga video tutorials. And we want to make sure na we're offering this on a very reasonable price for all of you. So that's why we introduced the core training. This is the first time we have offered this, no? For the last 2 years, walang core. So this is a unique opportunity for all of you to have some options or choices na pwede kayong makonsider sa core. Tapos if you decided na mag-upgrade, doon na lang. Pero this is our first time to offer the core. Pero you can do it independently just by listening and following through the videos. Ha?
Si Jubilee, add ko lang din, parang si Jubilee, student namin sa Elite yata to. So, there are students na prefer nila na wala yung mga, gusto lang nila yung self-paced lang. So, kaya kami nag-come up sa ganitong package para dun sa mga students na yun yung prefer. So, actually sa ASVA, meron din tayong core. So, sila naman, mas marami yung wala nila. Mas marami yung wala. Pero ang meron lang sila is Facebook na 2 months access lang. Tapos, 12 months access sa modules. So, yeah, nagkikater kami ng mga students who prefer na wala masyadong storbo. Ayun daw yung sabi nila. Walang storbo. Yun lang. Ano daw, coach? Wala.
So, merong question dyan si Kim. Gusto niya mag-mic on.
Hello, Coach.
Hmm.
Narinig po. Good evening.
Good evening, Kim. Ako si Jelay, kausap mo sa Viber. WhatsApp
Ay,
ba? Viber. Parang sa Viber
opo.
tayo nagkausap.
Ang kulit ko, Coach, no? Actually, Coach, doon sa nakikita kong mga tanong to, tsaka isang ano na rin, doon sa kay Cheryl, doon sa BA, I would
Ah,
suggest po na mag-enroll ka na rin ng BA sa ASBA na Elite. Kasi nag-enroll din ako dyan at tsaka proud na proud talaga ako. Tapos ngayon, as seller, kasi coach, nagkaroon ako ng client, long-term client ko na to. So, parehas kaming, first time sa seller. So, ang gusto niya pa nga nung una, sa akin ipangalan yung Amazon niya, yung shop. So, ayaw ko lang kasi, syempre, business yan. So, from A to Z po, mangyayari, ang nakuha niya ako coach sa supplier sourcing. So, pinaghanap niya muna ako ng private label sa Alibaba. Then, natapos ko lahat from supplier sourcing to logistic hanggang sa, na kami, sa prep center na kami. Kaso, wala rin pala siyang alam sa Amazon na shop, paano mag-open. So, sabi niya, mag-aral na lang daw ako. Then, kaso Amazon UAE siya, coach. Paano ba tayo doon? Halimbawa, Amazon UAE ang gusto niya. Meron ba tayong pang Amazon UAE? O
Ano?
isasuggest ko na lang na mag-Amazon USA ang market niya.
Okay, may account na siya sa UAE. Kung ang pagbabasihan mo is yung product researching lang and yung pinaka-fundamentals nga, sinagot ko rin to, tsaka kung pag step-by-step process of the whole thing ng Seller Central Account, ungating process, getting suppliers, how to get suppliers, how to establish relationship with them, finding suppliers, yung pinaka-basic at yung pinaka-core, para-pareho lang. Pero ang magkakatalo-talo lang dyan is kung paano yung taxes, tsaka yung conversion ng currency, hindi ko na, Kim.
Sa Amazon UAE po.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay. Sige po. Bali, ko na lang siguro suggest ko na lang na enroll na lang ako. Para po
Oo.
from A to
Enroll
Z
na.
ang...
Oo.
Thank you,
Kasi pareho
Coach.
lang. Oo, you're welcome, Kim. Salamat sa tanong. Tapos, ano pa ba? Wala nang ibang question. Ay, tama, nasagot na yata. Okay, si Cheryl. Meron na siyang account. Hindi natuloy dahil need talaga ng assistance. Oo, Cheryl. Ang dami naming students na ganyan. Oo, kailangan nila ng help. Hi, Mona. If I enroll po sa online arbitrage, I can start now. Yes, as long as may account ka na sa Amazon. Oo. Kung oo. Tapos may magpa-product research na. At saka ang baka gusto niyo sabihin yung access ng course, yeah, meron na yan. Pag nagbayad na, pwede ka na mag-start right away. Kahit hindi mo pa kami nami-meet. What is the big difference between OA and wholesale? Big difference. Yung aside dun sa diniscuss ko aside dun sa mga diniscuss ko na ang wholesale, big purchases, bigger purchases and fast selling. Yung online arbitrage, pwede kang magbenta or bumili ng minimal quantity of products. Tapos, mas mabilis maka-enter sa 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 online arbitrage. Okay, tapos ang wholesale, it takes a little bit of work, but it's sustainable and scalable. Okay? So I hope na ano 'yon ni Jubilee, no? Yun yung mga differences between the two business models. Salamat, Rome, Nepomuceno. Thank you, coaches, sa patience and time to answer. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Meron lang ako dito kay Cheryl. Cheryl Singh. So ngayon po, dahil ang elite namin is ongoing, yung kanilang coaching sessions, so hindi ka, kung plano mo mag-enroll sa elite, so closed pa siya until August 15. Pero if you want to take advantage of our Pride Month promotion, you can join the advanced muna. Tapos, upgrade ka na lang sa elite once nag-open na ang slots for the coaching sessions. Tama, Kim?
Yes po, sulit na sulit.
Dapat
So,
to si Kim nasa YouTube eh. Oy, Kim.
success story.
Oo.
About tax po, sa OA, walang tax both sa Pinas and US. Yung wholesale po ang may applicable tax. Tama, Elena. Yes, correct. Ano po ang recommendation nyo? Wholesale or OA? Maganda yung okay, very good. It's up to you, Gigi. Pero of course, if you have the budget, you can do it bundle. It's all worth it. Okay, it's all worth it. Because it's all in one. Hindi ka na magwa-wonder kung may nami-miss out kang learnings or if you should have got the two courses, the business models, yung dalawa sabay na. Pero if you have only enough budget, start with the DPM, no? Dollar Profit Mastery. Pero kung malaki, of course, you can do the bundle, ha? Okay, salamat kay Gigi. Okay, thank you so much for all the questions. Wala na question. Okay, we really appreciate each and every one of you for this Saturday evening that we got together here and then have really learned so much. Salamat, Jonathan. Have really learned so much about Amazon selling, how much we can, expect for this. And then, of course, this is a start for an online business, a big, huge opportunity for us fellow Filipinos. Again, not only those who live in the Philippines, anywhere, Dubai, Japan, UAE, sa Europe, anywhere in outside US, you can start doing your online business for Amazon US. And if you have more questions, then Viber or WhatsApp si Miss Jalai from Amaze Nation. And we are always live Thursday night at 10 p.m. under Amaze Nation. Have a very good night. We appreciate you all. God bless. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, coaches.
You're welcome.
Everyone, thank you, Ms. Jelay.